My name is Malgorzata Wójcik. I am an assistant professor and a researcher at University of Social Sciences and Humanities in Poland. Well, I never had a thought of not carrying on my research, so that was a natural thing because we kept on going, and because I'm researching bullying at schools on all levels and from all angles. That did not stop, so bullying did not stop during COVID, so we had to go on with the research and see how it changes in a changing circumstances. So that was my main motivation to carry on research. And if you're carrying on the research, you want to present it and you want to share it. So that was my motivation to do the research and to share it during conferences. Okay. Well, in the pandemic, there was no other choice, right? So the only thing was to attend online conferences, if any. But generally, I think that attending in person is much better for multiple reasons. For example, you really build a relationship with other researchers, and that it cannot be done online. I know you try very hard, and there is quite a lot of activities that are to encourage that, but it actually does not happen very much. And so if I have a choice, when I have a choice, I hope I will soon, I definitely go for in-person attendance. When I think about my international cooperations and my international projects, they always started at conferences, but not during the presentation, but afterwards. So, small talks and, starting the conversation and asking the question about the research. And then we started cooperation. And that has not happened so far during online conferences. So they're great that we can do them. But if we have a chance, let's get back to in-person if possible. Yeah. So yes, well, of course, if you're doing the research, you have to present it. It's a very good way of showing what you're doing and getting opinions and having that conversation. So right now the pandemic is still on, the war is on. So now if you cannot go and participate, yes, I do encourage to participate online because what the other choice. Your conferences are very safe spaces especially for young researchers and those who do not have a great experience presenting in conferences. So this is the main thing. I think I really like presenting in conferences because it is just a very safe and relaxing, I would even say, space for presenting. So, and there are people I'm presenting in education and learning conferences. So this is also my environment, my people. So that everybody is talking about different aspects of education and different aspects, or how to encourage learning and how to make a learning environment better. So I really like the different angles and different methodologies of research that are presented. So this is a really good thing about your conferences. Thank you very much. Have a good day.